You have a lot of visitors to your website, but your AOV isn't where you want it to be, or maybe your conversion rate isn't there. You have a lot of add to carts, but not so many are purchasing. So I will start a new series where I will go over how to increase your conversion rate. And this is the first video, how to increase your conversion rate. And this time I will show you a tool that will really increase your AOV and your conversion rate, okay? So let me show you on my computer, but first, let's grab some coffee. So welcome to the channel, my name is EcombyNik and here we talk about ecom of course, and we talk about dropshipping and everything surrounding that. If you haven't seen me before, please check out my earlier videos. I go over a lot of good things about this business and how you can increase your sales on your business and teach how to build landing pages, everything. Just go check it out. And let's just jump into the video. This is like a regular cart, how a regular cart looks. This, I would say, is not really a regular card. This is a quite good card because it has a reserve timer, it has some payment badges and things like that. But I will show you something more. Here we have an app called FlexUpsell cart, and this is really, really good. It's a new app, but I think it's great. I have just tested it on one of my stores, and let's see what you can do. You go to the cart editor, and you see, this is a really great cart, of course. And if you want to increase your AOV, how can you do that? Here you can have free shipping directly, showing that they get free shipping. If they add one more item, they get 10%. If they add if they have 3 items, they get 15%. And if they add 4 items, they get 20%. So of course, this will raise your AOV. And not only that, here you can also have upsells. You can show different collections and everything. And it shows clearly what type of discount you get. And it shows also the how much you have shopped for. It shows the total, what's your savings, shipping is free. This gives your customer everything. And it gives the customer trust. It gives the customer sentimental to add one more product. Here we also show, of course, the payment badges and some trust here, 30 days free returns. So this, I think, is a perfect cart. And it's very, very easy to set it up. Here you can, of course, if you have different languages, and some things I will go over because I think you are quite familiar, of course, with cart apps and things like that, but this app has some tools that I haven't seen before, and it's really, really good. You can change everything, your layout, of course, the colors, all the texts. And one thing I think also is really good is that you can change the sizes of everything also, that I really like. And here you can have an announcement bar. If you're running some sale or something like that, you can put it on a timer, and you can also put a different announcement bar and when they're gonna show, if you have one on the day and one on the night maybe, or here you can have a countdown timer. It has everything. So here, you know, you can do it fixed, you can do special dates when you have this countdown timer, like Black Friday, like spring sales, things like that. And here is a regular announcement bar. On this one, I don't have the announcement bar, but it looks like this if you have it, and then you can customize it however you want. Then you have this I really like. This is the reward progress bar. So you can look like that, you can look like that, or you can look like that. I like this one. And then you put up, I choose quantity of items because I have this offer in my store, of course. So when they have added one, we always have free shipping. So if one product is in the cart, you get this free shipping. So it's really clear for the customer what they get. And if you add one more, if you buy 2 items, you get 10%, and so on, so on. And of course this will change. So if they put one more, okay, this is just a demo, I can do that. And then you have upsell in the items in the cart. Here you can choose to change everything, the size of the picture, the text, everything you can change. You can take away this, you can do whatever you want. And then we have the product recommendations I have here. And this, of course, you can also have in different ways. You can have it like this, you can have it like this. But I like this one. It's not like in the face of the customer. It's quite clean and the customer can just click and okay, I can add this one. So I think that's great. You can customize the add to cart button, of course, on these ones also. The visibility of it. And then you can have one-click upsell also. Here, that's quick. Just add this product. It's really, really powerful also. And then you have the footer section. Here you can have everything. And you can have different shipping on different countries. And that's really, really good. So if you are selling in like US and UK, but you have different shipping costs to the different countries, you can add different shipping costs. So that's really, really good. And the checkout button, of course, you can customize it. And like I said, you know, a lot of people have it like this. I like it, like that you can change the sizes of the text and everything. You can get it really, really clean. And then you have the payment methods. You can choose all the payment methods that's available here. And you have the sticky add to cart button. So I will show you also, of course, how this will look. So here is how this will look live. This is a thing I really like also, that you have this floating cart that the customer always get reminded of that they should put the things in the cart, of course. So we can just go into one product here. Let's take this one. And you add to cart. And here you have it. It's really, really good looking. And you add one more item. You get 10%. You see it clearly here. I want this one too, maybe. 3 items, 15%. Shipping is free, everything. So it works really, really good. And it's really clean. And it's also cheaper than other cart apps. You can actually start with this for free, and you get a lot for the free plan. In the free plan, you get a lot that you don't get on other apps. So test it out for free. FlexUpsell. It's a really, really good app. I will leave a link, of course, to it below. And if you want to start with Shopify today, I will leave a link to Shopify, of course. You get 3 months for only $1. And I also will leave a link to EcombyNik.com. That's my website where I have my video course. And you can also apply for a one-on-one mentorship with me. And we will go over your store, check everything. How can we optimize it? How can we take this to the next level? If you will apply for the mentorship, you need to have a store up and running and doing some numbers. Otherwise, it's a waste. And then I think the video course is better for you. But if you want to do that, you are more than welcome to apply. And also, of course, I will see you in the next video where we will go over more things, how to raise your AOV and your conversion rate. And also I will come back to FlexUpsell and this cart because I really, really like it. And I have a series coming out soon where I will build a store from scratch, take a brand, find products, everything, and there, of course, I will use this app again. So be on the lookout for that. It's coming soon, a series how I will build a brand, and see you in the next video.